Hi everyone, today I brought to you this table. This table is very unique because it's flexible and it can change the shape, all right? So these can fold down and fold out. It has drawers where you can store like the plates and everything. This you can use it if you have like an invitation over to your house and you need extra space. You can put it in your patio, in your backyard, even inside your house. To fold and unfold it, lift up the tabletop and then bring out this side board and then click it to fix in place. It's super nice and you can fit the plates, decorations, anything of your choice that you want to, even cups, even forks and knives, everything a service table can do to fill the space. You can expand both sides or either one side at a time. Here I have expanded all in full, but like both sides. And that's how it looks like. Amazing, huh? Super easy, like push around. I'm gonna put it on that wall over there. Now my service table is ready. Now the party is over. I put it away like that and it makes a really nice side table or like a counter table. Thank you for watching.